各位觀眾，講嘢要有牙力，聽歌梗係揀有實力㗎啦。
係啊，我一出道啲人就讚我唱得好。
在台上我覓理想，係要找到理想，一於要站在台上。
嘿，將今晚交給我要為你唱盡我歌。
我的熱情好像一本火，燃燒了整個沙漠。
各位多倫多嘅朋友，大家好。
佢係
黎耀祥，佢係
朱咪咪，我哋會喺
Casinorama 同大家見面嘅。
佢會
勁放笑彈，佢會
唱多啲好歌。如果大家想睇下我哋呢個無敵組合咧，就要
搭多啲大班華馬專車嚟換飛啦。記住啊，9月18號。
心裏有個謎難解，
願你此刻珍惜今晚嘅白貼也在心間。
My name is Khalid Usman, and I'm the chair of Unity Festival, the festival that you're all present here and watching. This festival has been created as the first year, and that is to celebrate the diversity of Markham, which is the most diverse city in entire Canada. The idea came about from the address of our great mayor, Frank Scarpitti. In his inaugural address, he wished that we could create something like this. And this year we have, and what it does is it's beautiful. As you can see, the many communities. Our first event that was here was the Chinese lion dance. And then you're seeing the Celtic performers. And you're going to see other communities performing all evening tonight. So today we are at Markham Unionville Main Street, and tomorrow we're going to be on Markham Main Street. And this is the best part. Unity Festival brings not only the two BIAs together and unites them, it brings all the businessmen together, but also brings all the communities together. And I tell you, this is going to be a great start for a great festival, because it's called Unity Festival Markham around the world.
Thank you, Chris. Maybe just a tad.
Welcome everybody. My two of these young ladies, Judy, come on up, and Christine. They are not only pretty, but they are very, very smart. Judy, she represents Markham, Unionville BIA, and Christine, the Markham BIA. So with this event, it's not only, and we'll be doing introductions, proper introduction later, but I just wanted you to know who are behind this, this festival. Please give them a big hand. It is not just celebrating the community on its own, but it is the first unique festival which brings the business and BIA together and celebrate the unity of Markham. So please give a big hand to both BIAs. Today we're going to be doing it here, and tomorrow it's on Markham Main Street. Correct? From 9 to 5. 10 to 5. Same timing. I want to acknowledge to bring the business as well as the community together. Could I please welcome the Mayor of Markham and Mayor
Namaste, Sat Sri Akal, Vanakkam, Lehoma, Mabuhay, Kalispero, Shalom, Benvenuti a tutti. Welcome to the most diverse city in all of Canada. It's amazing. Before I make some remarks, I just want to say thank you, Khalid, for recognizing that in the inaugural address at the beginning of this term, I expressed my wish to have a festival that does bring together all of the cultural groups within our community. And we are blessed to have welcomed people from all over the world. It's meant for a very dynamic community. We certainly celebrate our history in the city of Markham with many of the things that we do right here in the village of Unionville and in the village of Markham. Hamilton, welcome Don. And also working with so many of the other cultures. And I don't think we could have picked a better chair to chair the first Unity Festival. The first Unity Festival. So again, a big thank you to them. And so make sure that...
First of all, the unity between the BIAs of Main Street Markham and Markham Unionville. That might seem a simple thing to do, but it isn't. It involves a huge amount of hard work. And let me also congratulate Christine and Judy and all the others associated with these two BIAs for pulling off this achievement. Have a great day, everybody. Enjoy Markham.
Okay. To bring everybody together.
It is the first time that Markham BIA and the Unionville BIA have collaborated together on such a wonderful event to celebrate.
One on that side and one on this side. Let's balance the one side. Put the opposite.
All right. You can leave.
Okay, gentlemen, here we go. Do a couple more. Nice big smiles, guys. Ready?
Yes, sir.
There we go. Thank you.
6 long circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now.
Then later on, when I mixed it up, I was addicted to it.